Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 112 national highway projects with different states worth around 1 lakh crore rupees at Gurugram in Haryana today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that any country can move forward only by enhancing the dignity of women's power and creating new opportunities for them. Mr. Modi said this while addressing the Sashakt Nari Viksit Bharat program in New Delhi today. President Draupadi Murmu left for Mauritius this morning on a state visit. She will attend the National Day celebrations of Mauritius tomorrow as the chief guest. Biographical thriller Oppenheimer is the big winner of the 96 Oscars at the Ovation Hollywood in Los Angeles, California, after scooping 7 awards including Best Picture and Best Actor for Cillian Murphy. Indian pair Satwik Sairaj Rangireddy and Chirag Shetty have clinched their second French Open men's doubles badminton title.